Put popcorn in the freezer, a secret that popcorn makers don't want you to know. In a pan, we will start by adding a tablespoon of butter or margarine and stir until it melts completely. Now let's add half a cup of popcorn and stir until it starts to pop. People with popcorn in the freezer will find it easier to pop. The popcorn will be much crispier and much tastier. As soon as it starts to burst, just cover it and wait for it to burst completely. And folks, by putting popcorn in the freezer, the popcorn will pop completely without any kernels remaining. And now guys, we're going to set this popcorn aside. In a smaller pan, add a cup of sugar and stir until the sugar melts completely. At this point, let's take half a cup of milk and also add a tablespoon of butter. And now we just have to stir until this caramel starts to thicken. So this is the ideal point. Let's pour everything on top of the popcorn. Just mix well for the caramel to coat all the popcorn. And finally guys, I put it in a glass container, and on top I'm gonna add a little powdered milk, but it's up to your taste. And now just enjoy it. And guys, I hope you liked it. This was another recipe from the poor man in the kitchen. That big hug until next time, and thanks.